In this video, we'll demonstrate how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome. But before we dive into the tutorial, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to get dark mode in Google Chrome. Your support by liking and sharing your thoughts in the comments below helps us create better content for you. Now, let's explore how to activate dark mode in Google Chrome. Start by opening your Google Chrome browser. To enable dark mode, you'll need to use a Chrome extension. You can easily access the Chrome Web Store by clicking the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window and selecting Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store, use the search box on the left and type dark mode. You'll see various extensions available, but a popular choice is usually one with a significant number of users. Click on the extension you prefer to install. To add the extension to your Chrome, click Add to Chrome. Confirm your decision when prompted. Once added, you can see the extension in your Chrome browser. To toggle between dark mode and light mode, click on the extension's icon in the top right corner. Locate the dark mode extension, click on it, and then pin it to your browser by clicking the pin button. Now, you can easily switch between dark mode and light mode using the extension. Whether you're browsing the web or reading articles, you can now enjoy the benefits of dark mode in Google Chrome. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For more useful tutorials and resources, be sure to visit Media Magnet Guide. Thank you for watching.